It started in a hotel, a place where no one knew their names. The curtains were drawn. The world outside disappeared. Their breaths quickened, not from love, but from secrecy. He felt alive, desired, young again. But it didn't last. Lust fades. Regret doesn't. He returned home, to silence, to the smell of her cooking. Still warm, she looked at him, and somehow knew. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Don't waste time on what you'll regret." Now every heartbeat echoes his mistake. Some thrills last minutes, some consequences last a lifetime.